Been a while since this thing's been in a video. Baby redfish. I'm being lethargic this morning, not wanting to eat. That is a tiny one. Jeez.
It counts.
Got the skunk off the boat.
What you got?
He's been on there while he swallowed it. Yeah, they're behind the boat now. That's 2 in a row. It's not that big, but he's bigger than the last one.
But on the bottom or
yeah.
bottom?
You can come under this pole if you want. Slightly bigger than the last one.
Alright.
Ready?
But hopefully there's a pile of them now, because that's 2 in a row. We just gotta get another one out there.
Bottom or bottom?
Let's wait. There we go. Big one. That's a big one. Yeah, big fish on. Watch this rod. Get this rod out of our way. Keep him off the boat. There you go. Reel down. I think we got a big redfish. It might be a black drum. Ooh, that's a nice fight. A good fish. Alright. Let's land this guy. What do we got? She's got a good fish. Really good fish. Ooh, big redfish. I just saw him. That's a big one. Nice redfish. This is what we're here for, right there. Beautiful top.
Come on, fella.
Oh, keep him off the boat. Keep him off the boat. There you go. There you go. Get his head up here. Turn him. There you go. Keep him on the surface. Right there. That's a big boy. That's a good red right there. They put up a good fight, didn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, that was a good fight.
That is a good picture fish right there. Nice, beautiful red color.
Alright, step in a little bit, babe. Yeah.
2 smalls and 1 good one. And she's catching all of them.
That's alright.
We don't need
Well,
that.
officially, you call that.
That's a good one.
Yeah, decent.
It's not as small as the first one. The first one was really small. Oh, he swallowed it. How did he swallow a circle hook?
He's got it though.
That's a snook.
Baby. Even if I don't bring him in, thank you, sir.
Hey, you got to catch a snook. He's running.
He's pissed. Shit, that's alright.
What, a 25 incher?
Got the drag back, I bet you're right though.
He's running. Don't break him off. I think it's a big redfish. It didn't look like a snook.
No, it was a big flash, but I can't
I
tell.
think he's a big red. Snook usually shake their head out of the water and jump like a bass. He's running like a redfish. He's right there. I think it's a big red. He's diving like a red for sure. You better not break him off. What pound test is that?
Do you want me to tell you?
This better not be 10.
12.
Oh, jeez.
Gotta make it gamey.
Come on, get him up here. This is a beast of a fish. It's gotta be a red. It can't be a snook. Snook would have cut your line or splashed or something. And it's not a jack. Oh, it's definitely red. Big.
Oh,
wait. It's a snook.
Whoa.
It's a snook.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
wow.
That's a good snook.
Oh my God.
That's gotta be a PB for me.
Heck yeah. What side you going to?
Okay.
I'm gonna back drag off.
You're gonna go around all the rods? You picked the wrong side. You should have just took them that way. Yeah, bring them this way. Have you ever caught a snook?
I have, but it's been a long while.
That's a good
And
one.
on the kayak.
That one's almost a keeper.
I'm not much into keeping snook just because of what they are, but
I think he's about 26.
I'll come to you.
There we go. Good fish. At least get a picture with him.
Hey, thank you very much, sir.
You got
Appreciate
your
that.
snooky.
Thanks, Skippy. That's what I came for.
Hey, look at it, he just fell off. They fell off like it was nothing. That's a healthy looking fish.
Nice.
28.
Oh, 28.
He's 25. He's 3 inches short. Just stay away from the anal fin.
Oh,
Hold him
feel it
right.
already.
Yeah, hold him in the middle
Gotcha,
of the belly.
gotcha.
Right there. Goodbye, Snooky.
Well, that was a tip right there.
What was it? Terrible release. Jeez. Everyone's gonna park next to us now. Keep the freaking rod down. That's a big snook. It's splashing.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep it down. Everyone's stopping.
Catfish. Just kidding, just kidding.
Dude, don't let them get rocked, dude. Keep them off the bottom. Don't worry about the people. Just stop that. That's a bigger one. Keep them out of that tree, dude. You gotta put a little heat on them.
I hear you, but I'm just about to snap.
Put a little heat on them. Oh, it's right there. That's a good snook. Bring him this way. That's another snook. It's another good fish.
It's about the same as the last one. Awesome.
Oh, he's longer.
Wow. Okay, 2. You're definitely catching all the fish after this.
That's a beautiful snook right there.
Man, that's so pretty.
Sorry about the timing.
This, and
Need to catch
the
it
whole
for the
freaking town is looking at
I
us.
was like, oh. Hope I didn't ruin that.
Nobody stopped. Wow, that's impressive. Usually everyone turns around and stops. And that little tiny little jig head. There you go. This is definitely bigger than the last one. This one, it looks like a slot fish.
Oh, wow, he really got my...
Oh my god, dude, that's a 28-inch fish.
Is it?
Yeah, look at that. He's a slot fish.
Oh, man.
Last one barely made it. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, jeez, that one was 3 snook in a row. You say he's smaller, and then he takes off.
I can see the flash. I don't even know if it's a snook this time.
It is a baby. That's the fun size. He's like a bass when they're like, yeah, they
the gills and everything.
yeah, little snook are fun.
Yeah, oh yeah, it bites. It's more than
This one's acrobatic. So I told you they're stacked up in there. You could keep doing this the whole time we're here. Jeez. Probably stupid to go tail first. Now let's go up current. Go head first. Where is he? Can't even see him. The water's so dark.
Right on.
Same little lure, 3 snook.
Kid in the candy store today.
Yeah, you'll have to remember that, Lord.
Like I said, it's actually the one Chris was like, yeah, this is our little thing at night for
Nice little snook.
redfish.
You gonna do a 3 in front of it?
You got to. That looks like it's getting somewhere.
Just
it's just a tiny little thing.
that's a big snapper.
It's not too shabby.
That's a keeper snapper.
Is it?
Getting there.
About 10 inches. There are fish here. Not very big. It looks like a snapper again. That's a red. I guess it's not a snapper. That is a great sign to catch a redfish immediately. All right. Nice. Nice one. All right, I need to net him, huh? He's swimming at you with the current. It's probably a good sized fish. Come on, let's see a black drum. Something for the cooler. It is a black drum. Or a sheep's head. It had stripes. I think that's a sheep.
Yeah.
Sheep are amazing to eat.
Oh, I love.
Yeah,
I think it is a sheep. It's a keeper sheep.
it was.
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
It was a pretty big sheep. I saw him. He grabbed it right next to the boat. Is it a keeper? Let's pray for a keeper. No, it's small. Dang it. Dang it. Why are they so little? And smile.
Perfect. Smile, babe. You know, got it.
Did he just fall off? There you go. Yeah.
No, it's on.
Keep consistent pressure. He looks like he's got a lot of head shake. Oh, this is another dink red. Well, maybe that's the pocket right there off the point. Why aren't they so... I wish I'd be like 10 inches bigger.
Blue tail, though.
Yeah, he's pretty.
Got it.
No. Hey, she's got him.
I'll finally get it.
Got that redfish she's been playing with. That is funny. They were redfish this whole time. There's tiny ones right next to the boat. Well, at least you're increasing our numbers on this rainy day. Who would have thought the day after Thanksgiving would look like this? Redfish. Oh, I just had one too. Oh, you got a better fish. All right, hey, come on, keep a redfish. It's a keeper too. Come on. If it's not a keeper red, at least be a small drum that we can keep. We need some keeper fish in the boat. It's got a little weight to him. Not a small redfish. Let's hope he hits 18. He doesn't. Dang it. It's that little baby rod you're using. I keep thinking they're bigger. I thought for sure you had something a little bit bigger than that.
Alright, well, we found a little red
A little bit bigger than hers.
What if I hit him and he popped up?
Right when it landed, you got a fish.
I mean, I hit a little snook.
That is a snook, see? 4 snook.
Awesome.
I told you it's a good spot for a lure.
I'm gonna let you do that.
You able to flip that one in?
No, it's still there. Okay, good.
Little snooky. Not a very big one.
Okay.
I'm hoping we get a keeper, but we can't find a keeper. Got his little scrappy, but he's not very big. Nope. Bigger than the one we found in the river, but
Yeah.
still tiny. What's crazy is how much bigger that first one was.
Right,
Like, nothing has
yeah.
even came close to that one since then. And this one's a little bigger than the ones we were catching.
A little bigger shoulders too.
Yeah, they're fun to catch.
Just can't find a keeper to save our life today. I mean, our numbers are getting a little higher now. Caught a few redfish.
Oh, and then we fished one day, just nothing.
Yeah. It's like they're just stacked up in here one day, and some days they could be here and not even feed. Like, I bet there's fish in here right now, they're just not eating. Oh, that's a snooky. They didn't take me long to get one. Little guy. Oh, goodbye. It is a red. Red on a lure, that's pretty cool. Artificials. A little small.
Paddle tail in there somewhere.
Come on, why am I reeling it in?
Have a little fun.
It's a snook.
I don't want to stop over here because I'm afraid mine will get caught in these rocks.
Or is it a small red? That's a little bit bigger redfish.
Yeah, man, if we could have caught little, kept little reds today, we'd be in like 10.
Yeah, we'd have a few to keep, huh? This is like the 10th little guy.
And now,
Oh, you just bit right at the
oh,
boat.
yeah, we sure did. And now it's
I
turned
got to
into
see that.
Living in fast.
worse than that.
Right here.
Nice.
He hit it right there.
Hey, we caught a slam even on a terrible day. That's a slam.
Nice.
Is that 15?
Is that the?
I think the fish are just starting to bite.
Oh,
Yep.
we gotta go.
15.
15?
15.
It's another trout.
He just got.
Or is that a snook?
Is it a snook?
Yeah, it's a small snook. The fish are just starting to feed right now, I think. He is a keeper?
Yeah. He's
Cool.
15.
Is it?
It's 15 a keeper?
Yeah, as long as he hits it. They were catching trout, snook. You want me to
I don't know.
Dude, that's a huge trout.
Yeah, nice.
Can't only net 'em.
The other side
Coming
of
at
the
you.
boat.
Oh, thank you.
Heck yeah, dude. All right, well,
Said cast anywhere. You were kidding.
load up on some trout. That's good dinner. That's another big one. Dude, that's a 17-incher. You added 2 fish to the cooler. That made a big difference. Yeah, let me see that.
Yeah.
Nothing outfishes a gulp. You catch a trout every cast if there's trout here. So you wait like 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and then you just double pop it like that. And you single pop, do a double pop, you do a single. I just mix it up. So dude, there's trout. See, that's instant. I let it sink and then I just pop it. There you go, stacking them up now. Those are big trout. Was that your first fish on a plastic?
Yeah.
How was that again?
Pick up that pole behind you and pop that cork.
This one?
Yeah, just
Okay.
put that rod down. Just reel it, pop. That's the easy setup. It catches a lot more fish.
You gotta hold that one up, babe.
Yeah, that's a nice trout.
The little itty bitty things. I like pull over the tail.